On the rate rationalization, despite the speculation, I'm saying I credit the ministers who are in that team, who have gone into great detail. I'm very tempted by the expression that you're using, low-hanging fruit, usko to nipatna chahiye. No, it's a holistic exercise. It's a holistic exercise of looking at reducing the burden on common daily use items and looking at rates which will have to come down from where they have been for now 4-5 years. There is a level of stabilization which all the members in the council, not just in the GOM, have agreed. Yes, now it is stabilizing, so it is the time for us to look at item by item. So they are looking at it in a very holistic fashion. But the issues which are not so much looking at clear the low-hanging fruits and we'll baki baad mein dekha jayega, it has to be a holistic exercise, is something which the entire council is recognizing. Equally, it was just not the question of rate ko kam karo, it was also a question of kitni slab honge, 5, 12, 18, 28 or more or less. Simplification cannot be more. But yet, is there a justification for adding one more but cutting down one? So there is still a lot of detailed, germane to the issue of rate rationalization and simplification, which are yet to be finalized. And that is why rate rationalization का निर्णय भी आज नहीं हुआ है. आज ATF के विषय में चर्चा जब हुआ, ये स्पष्ट आया है, स्टेट्स ये नहीं चाहती है कि ATF GST में आए. वो चाहते हैं जैसे पेट्रोल, जैसे डीजल, ATF भी स्टेट के अधिकार में रहे. आज भी उस विषय में हर स्टेट इतना स्पष्ट बोले कि GST में नहीं आना चाहिए, पेट्रोल हो, डीजल हो, ATF हो. यही है मूड. There was this decision taken which will be a relief for micro and small units and also for traders who are under the composition scheme. If they have rented their premises from individuals who are unregistered entities, unregistered persons, so उनको GST exempt है. अगर छोटे बिजनेसदार या ट्रेडर या कोई ऐसे छोटे बिजनेसमैन एक जगह पर उनके दुकान रखा है, वो रेंट में लिया रखा है, और जहां से वो बिल्डिंग रेंट में लिया, वो अगर कॉम्पोजिशन में है और अनरजिस्टर्ड है, उनके ऊपर GST लागू नहीं होगा.